Hey, what's going on, YouTube, my family, and my friends? Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video once again. So, I have this design here located on my Etsy store. Someone said something was wrong with it. So, here I am, diving into the design and trying to see actually what was the fuss about. They said something about line A cut out with where it wasn't supposed to. And as I'm looking at it, all the A's look perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, I pretty much copied them and pasted them, so I know that they are exact. Same as here, same as here, same as here. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and select all of the same color here. So I'll select all of that blue. We're gonna nudge that out. All right, so we have the blue. Let's go ahead and put a black box around it so we can see it. Push it to the back. Okay, there's the blue. Here's the second blue. So let's grab this second blue. Select all the same blue. We're gonna nudge that over. All right, so that's the second cut. Here's the third cut. Let's nudge that over. Everything is looking great, looking like it lines up to me. And let's grab the purple. I'm gonna nudge that over. Let's make that red, bright red, so we can see it. And that's the design. The A's match up perfectly. The A's look great. The M, I'm not quite sure what it is. Is it that she wants this part to be aquamarine as well? I'm not quite sure what's the problem with the design. Not quite sure. Maybe these down here could have been colorful. 1, 2, 3, 4 instead of. I'm not quite sure. 'Cause that was how I did them. I did them, in this color stagnant. So I'm not sure. I mean, I guess these right here could have been 1, 2, 3, 4 colors, but I mean that's how I designed it. I wanted it to look like that. Kamala. Hey, if you guys can see um, where I can make this design better, this is the only area I'm seeing right here where I can make this better. But it is available on my Etsy for purchase. If you would like to, you can grab it and cut it out. And just remember, you can always, as you're brushing in, just brush in just that one line of color if you want to change the color. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys like this design. And I'm out.